This video will help you avoid 9 common mistakes people often make with diabetes or prediabetes, so you can live healthier every day. Did you know that most people with diabetes are unknowingly making their condition worse? Watch now to learn how to steer clear of these deadly mistakes. Number 1. Smart but reckless. You probably remember the shocking news when egg prices in the US skyrocketed to record levels, surpassing $10 per dozen in many major cities. Headlines flooded in about people lining up to buy cheaper food, and some even turning to the black market for lower-priced groceries. But here's the alarming part: many people began replacing fresh foods with processed or fast foods because they seemed more affordable. While it may sound reasonable, this is a dangerous trap. Processed foods are loaded with sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats, sending your blood sugar levels on a wild roller coaster. According to a 2023 study, consumption of processed foods increased by over 25% during inflationary periods, leading to a significant rise in blood sugar-related health issues. However, you don't need to sacrifice your health to save money. A simple solution is to reduce meat-based meals and replace them with beans, which are high in protein and budget-friendly. Or, consider buying seasonal produce at local farmers' markets. If you have some space, try growing a few basic vegetables like leafy greens or tomatoes at home. Remember, you can be financially savvy without compromising your health. Don't let the temporary convenience of cheap, processed foods translate into hefty hospital bills down the line. So next time you're tempted to grab a bag of chips instead of fresh veggies, think twice. Number 2. Living a sedentary life. In today's modern world, we spend more time sitting than ever before. According to a CDC report, over 60% of Americans sit for at least 6 hours a day, and this number is even higher for those working from home. Prolonged sitting doesn't just cause back pain, it's also a hidden enemy of blood sugar health. To illustrate, let's look at a story that grabbed attention. During the pandemic, a major study from Stanford University found that people working from home saw their activity levels drop by up to 50%. For those with diabetes or prediabetes, this lack of movement led to dangerous blood sugar spikes. One participant shared how he only left his chair to grab coffee, and within just a few months, he not only gained weight but also found his blood sugar levels spiraling out of control. Why is prolonged sitting so harmful? When you sit, your muscles remain inactive, reducing their ability to absorb sugar from your bloodstream. This makes it harder for insulin to do its job, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. The good news is that you can break this cycle with simple habits. Set a timer to stand and walk around for a few minutes every 30 minutes, or incorporate light exercises like chair squats. Another option is switching to a standing desk, which benefits both your back and your blood sugar control. Remember, every step you take is a step toward better health. Don't let sitting steal your energy and well-being. Stand up and take charge. Number 3. Not drinking enough water. Did you know that over 75% of Americans don't drink enough water daily? This isn't just a bad habit, it's a dangerous accomplice for those with diabetes or prediabetes. When your body is dehydrated, your blood becomes thicker, making it harder to control blood sugar levels. A 2022 study from Harvard University found that even a 1 to 2% drop in body water levels can reduce your ability to regulate blood sugar by up to 20%. This is especially concerning given that diabetes already increases the risk of dehydration, creating a vicious cycle. Take this story reported by CNN. A man living in Arizona, one of the hottest places in the US, was hospitalized due to a severe blood sugar spike. The reason? He forgot to drink water during a busy workday. So, how much water is enough? Experts recommend that adults drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. If you live in a hot climate or engage in physical activities, you may need more. You can also hydrate through foods like watermelon, cucumbers, or soups. Staying hydrated doesn't just help you manage blood sugar, it also supports better kidney function. So, the next time you feel thirsty, don't delay, grab a glass of water and think about your health. Trust me, your body will thank you. Number 4, sacrificing sleep. Americans are facing an alarming issue: sleep deprivation. Reports show that up to 70 million adults in the US suffer from sleep disorders, with over 30% sleeping less than 6 hours a night. This lack of rest not only leaves you exhausted but also makes blood sugar levels harder to control, especially for those with diabetes or prediabetes. Consider a story that gained significant media attention in 2021 when a study on truck drivers was published. Due to long driving schedules, many drivers slept only 4 to 5 hours a night. The results? Nearly 60% experienced blood sugar issues, and over 25% were diagnosed with diabetes. Sleep deprivation triggers the production of more cortisol, a hormone that raises blood sugar levels, while also reducing insulin sensitivity. Over time, poor sleep weakens the body's ability to recover, increasing the risk of inflammation and blood vessel damage, major threats for people with diabetes. Improving your sleep doesn't require drastic changes. Start by aiming for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, reducing blue light exposure from screens before bedtime, and trying relaxing activities like reading or listening to soft music. Think of sleep as the natural medicine your body needs most. Don't let sacrificing it become the price you pay for poor blood sugar management. Number 5. Not taking advantage of diabetes-friendly foods. Food is a vital medicine for people with diabetes, yet many Americans are not harnessing its full potential. According to a 2023 report by the National Institute of Nutrition, only 1 in 10 adults in the U.S. consume enough vegetables and healthy foods daily. Even more concerning, over 60% of people with diabetes rely on processed foods or lack a proper meal plan. This isn't just a matter of making poor choices, it's also a lack of information. Many people don't realize that familiar foods like cinnamon, oats, spinach, or chia seeds can play a key role in managing blood sugar. A major study from Harvard University found that adding just 1 teaspoon of cinnamon a day could reduce blood sugar levels by up to 20%. The problem is, instead of choosing healthy options, many people turn to fast and convenient meals, depriving their bodies of the nourishment they need, especially when already at risk. The solution is simple: start incorporating high-fiber, protein-rich, and antioxidant-packed foods into your diet. A breakfast of oatmeal with chia seeds, a spinach smoothie, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon on your tea can make a significant difference. Don't underestimate the power of the right foods. With small, intentional changes, you can give your body the tools it needs to thrive. Number 6. Underestimating stress. Stress has become a constant companion in the lives of modern Americans. According to a 2023 report from the American Psychological Association, APA, over 70% of adults regularly feel stressed about work, finances, or personal issues. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that causes blood sugar levels to spike. A Yale University study found that individuals with high-pressure jobs are up to 45% more likely to develop type 2 diabetes. This isn't surprising given the fast-paced, high-stress lives many people lead, from office workers clocking 10-hour days to manual laborers grappling with monthly financial worries. However, stress is not beyond your control. Experts recommend carving out time for relaxing activities like walking outdoors, practicing meditation, or journaling your emotions. These methods can help lower cortisol levels and naturally improve blood sugar management. So, don't let stress take the reins of your life. Reducing stress not only makes you feel happier but also serves as a crucial first step toward maintaining stable blood sugar levels every day. Number 7. Not checking blood sugar regularly. Regular blood sugar monitoring is a crucial part of managing diabetes, but how many people actually do this properly? According to a CDC report, over 50% of people with diabetes don't check their blood sugar as often as recommended. This leaves them unaware of how their blood sugar levels are fluctuating, often only realizing when the situation has become severe. Consider some alarming statistics. A study by the National Institute of Health found that patients who checked their blood sugar less than once a week were twice as likely to develop eye and kidney complications compared to those who monitored daily. This isn't just an individual issue, it's a widespread trend. The reasons vary: complacency, fear of seeing unfavorable results, or simply the inconvenience of manual monitoring. If you find traditional methods cumbersome, consider using continuous glucose monitoring, CGM, devices. These tools not only track your blood sugar levels in real time but also provide valuable insights to help you adjust your diet and lifestyle accordingly. Remember, understanding your numbers is the key to effectively managing diabetes. Don't ignore these readings, they're the clearest picture of your health. Number 8. Choosing the wrong fruits. Fruits are often considered a healthy choice, but for people with diabetes, not all fruits are friendly companions. According to a survey by the American Nutrition Association, up to 40% of individuals with diabetes choose the wrong fruits, leading to unexpected blood sugar spikes. Take common examples like mangoes, grapes, and pineapples. They're delicious but packed with high natural sugar content. When consumed without portion control, these fruits can cause blood sugar levels to rise rapidly, especially if you're not monitoring your intake. A Stanford University study found that individuals who ate more than 2 servings of high-sugar fruits daily had a 30% higher risk of blood sugar spikes compared to those who opted for lower-sugar alternatives. The good news is that not all fruits are off-limits. Green apples, berries like blueberries and raspberries, and grapefruits are excellent choices. These fruits are rich in fiber, which helps slow sugar absorption into the bloodstream. They also contain antioxidants that support heart health, an important benefit for those managing diabetes. Remember, not all fruits are created equal. It's not just about eating fruit, it's about understanding their sugar content and controlling your portions. Make smart fruit choices to keep your blood sugar in check while enjoying their natural goodness. Number 9. Neglecting foot health. Our feet are often forgotten when it comes to health care. But did you know that, according to the American Diabetes Association, ADA, about 34% of people with diabetes will face serious foot problems in their lifetime? The main culprits are peripheral neuropathy and poor circulation, 2 common issues among diabetics. When nerves are damaged, you may not feel pain, which can lead to ignoring small injuries on your feet. Over time, these can develop into foot ulcers or infections, sometimes requiring amputation. A chilling statistic from the CDC reveals that nearly 100,000 diabetes-related amputations occur annually in the U.S., a truly frightening number. The good news is that these issues are preventable. Start by checking your feet daily for cuts, blisters, or discoloration. Choose footwear that fits well and doesn't put pressure on sensitive areas. Keeping your feet clean and dry is also an essential habit. Your feet not only carry you through life but also serve as indicators of your overall health. Don't ignore small signs, as caring for your feet is a vital part of managing diabetes. Your feet deserve love and protection. So, as you can see, these mistakes, whether small or big, are opportunities for us to learn, adjust, and live healthier every day. Remember, diabetes is not a death sentence. It's a reminder to love and take better care of our bodies. The important thing is that we take action now, eat right, exercise regularly, get checkups, and don't forget to care for our mental health. What do you think about these mistakes? Was there any mistake that surprised you or one you've made before? Share your story in the comments below. Your insights not only help the community become more informed, but they could also inspire others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any valuable content. And if you're looking for more health tips, check out our videos on 5 foods that help lower blood sugar or 6 best morning habits for people with diabetes. You'll find plenty of helpful advice.